I
The following message is transmitted at the request of the South Carolina Highway Patrol, Columbia, South Carolina. Residents of Columbia are asked to shelter in place due to severe fog within the area. Reports have also come in from the Columbia Fire Department that there has been some incidents of mental psychosis with onset of 15 minutes after going outside into the fog. Contact 911, the South Carolina Highway Patrol, or medical services if you need assistance.
Due to a local emergency within the Columbia, South Carolina area, Goober Broadcasting Company will be temporarily suspending programming. Tune to Channel 91 for further details